So if you look at the ICC comprehensively and of course Article 59, ang keyword dyan is complementarity. Dapat nagko-complement yung dalawa. So if you look at UK, Canada, South Korea, for example, Mr. President, Argentina, Paraguay, South Africa, all of them have provisions, whether it's arrest to extradition or whether it's surrender, it gives the individual being arrested an opportunity to run to their local courts. So
I agree. I completely agree, Mr. President, because it is an utter disrespect to the local court or local authorities to just, without passing through the normal judicial process here, at least for authentication, for verification, the person that has been issued the warrant of arrest will just be brought out of the country.